One of the most profitable affiliate strategy is not chasing trends, but promoting products you genuinely believe in. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing, folks, the podcast for digital and at-home entrepreneurs who want to build income with clarity, confidence, and long-term sustainability. And today, we're talking about finding affiliate offers that reflect your values and why integrity is not just ethical, but strategic. Now, before we go any further, and take a moment to subscribe, follow, and share this podcast. And if you're building an online business from home, this community is here to support your growth one intentional step at a time. And thank you for joining us. Now, affiliate marketing is often framed as a numbers game. More links, more traffic, more commissions. But experienced marketers know that trust is the real currency in affiliate marketing. When your audience trusts you, conversions naturally follow. When they don't, no strategy can compensate for it. A growth mindset helps affiliate marketers shift from short-term wins to long-term gains. Instead of asking, what pays the most, growth-oriented marketers ask, what aligns with who I am serving and why? Now, let's walk through 7 actionable strategies that will help you. You can choose affiliate offers that reflect your values and support sustainable growth. So the first one is clarify your core values. Now, before promoting anything, be honest about what matters to you. Do you value transparency, simplicity, affordability, ethical business practices, or long-term results? Your values act as a filler or a filter, and if an offer conflicts with them, it will eventually create friction with your audience. This means going deep within yourself to clarify your values and promote only those products that reflect what you stand for and what you stand behind. Second, know your audience deeply. Now, values alignment is not just personal, it's also relational. Understand your audience needs, their struggles, and their goals. So ask whether the product genuinely helps them move forward. Growth-minded marketers focus on service before sales. You know, we don't need a huge list contrary to what marketers promote. We need people who buy what you promote because you know they will agree with the product that you're promoting. Third, use the product whenever possible. Now, first-hand experience builds confidence and credibility. When you've used a product, your recommendations become specific, authentic, and trustworthy. You can speak to real benefits rather than generic features. And fourth, evaluate the company behind the product. Look beyond commission rates. Research the brand's reputation, customer support, refund policies, and leadership values. Promoting a strong company protects your audience and your brand. Fifth, align offers with your content ecosystem. A growth-minded affiliate marketing integrates naturally into your blog posts and your videos, emails, or podcasts. Now, if the offer feels forced, it probably is. So alignment creates flow and consistency. 6th, be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Transparency builds trust. So let your audience know when you earn a commission. Most people respect honesty. For instance, put a disclosure sentence at the end of a podcast or an article that you're promoting. You can check out my disclosures at the end of the description that I have linked below. 7th, commit to long-term relationships, not one-off promotions. Sustainable affiliate marketing income comes from building trust over time. Growth mindset marketers think in years and not weeks. They refine, improve, and stay consistent. Now, this brings me to what marketers often tell you. They indicate that what you're about to purchase will bring immediate results. Well, many newbies will tell you this is not the case. The reality is that they may have only a trickle of income. But on the other hand, steady income comes in the long term and not the short term. Let's look at how this plays out in the real life. Consider a beginner affiliate marketer working from home. They quickly join multiple programs, posting links everywhere. Results are inconsistent and confidence drops. This is why many leave the marketing business. A growth mindset shifts the leads and slows them down. So choose one aligned product and focus on learning how to serve their audience well. And over time, results will improve. Another example is a content creator who turns down high-paying offers because they don't align with their audience needs. In the short term, income is lower, but in the long term, trust grows, engagement deepens, and better opportunities emerge. Affiliate marketing is not about perfection. You can change your offer. You can promote an offer that later changes or no longer fits with you. Growth mindset thinking allows you to adjust openly and then explain your reasons or your reasoning and move forward with integrity. For at-home entrepreneurs, values alignment also reduces burnout. Promoting products you believe in feels lighter, more authentic, and more sustainable. Work becomes meaningful to you and not just transactional. So a practical next step action plan starts with an audit. Review your current affiliate offers. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I believe in this product? Does it genuinely help my audience? Does it align with my long-term brand? And next, choose one primary offer to focus on it and learn it deeply. Build content around real problems it solves. Test messaging and pay attention to the feedback you receive. Then refine your systems. A growth mindset, marketers improve processes over time. For instance, you may need to optimize email sequences, update content, adjust calls to action based on learning, but not on emotion. Finally, Give yourself permission to grow slowly. Affiliate marketing is a skill, not a shortcut. And progress compounds when you stay consistent and reflective. So if you're just starting out, hear this clearly. You do not need to promote everything. You do not need to copy aggressive tactics that feel uncomfortable. You are allowed to build a business that reflects who you are. Growth mindset affiliate marketing is about becoming better, not faster. Each piece of content, each recommendation, each conversation is an opportunity to learn and improve. And when you improve with integrity, you attract the right audience. And when you attract the right audience, trust grows. And when trust grows, income becomes a byproduct of the service that you provide. Now, here's what you can do starting today. Start where you are. Choose alignment over urgency. Focus on learning and not comparison. Your business will grow as you do. Now, thank you for listening to Affiliate Marketing Secrets. And remember, the most sustainable affiliate income is built on trust, values, and consistent growth. Oh, and please subscribe to this channel. You will help other interested people in improving their approach to affiliate marketing. And thank you for doing so. I'm Richard Fontanie. Tune in next week when our conversation homes in on limiting beliefs. I hope you can join us then. See you next week, if not before. Bye now.